Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well at your home. Students, today I Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 6, Introduction to Flash CS6. Our today's topic is creating a new Flash document. Means in the Flash, how can we create a new document, a new file? Steps are very simple to do this work. First of all, you have to go to the file menu. In the file menu, you have to select new option. As we click on new option, new document dialog box appear on the screen. From that dialog box, we have to select Action Script 3.0 from the type list. And now in the appear dialog box, you have to click on OK button. All these steps I will show you in your book also. So there will not be any confusion about this. Students, this is the file menu. Here you have to click. As you click here, you get this list. From this list, you have to click on new option. This is the new option. Instead of clicking this option, you can also press the Ctrl plus N key. This is the shortcut to create the new document. After clicking here, this dialog box appear. This is the new document dialog box. Right? From this dialog box, you have to select Action Script 3.0. After selecting it, click on OK button. Then new file will be created in Flash. Next topic is saving a Flash file. After creating a new file, students, we need to save it for future use. Okay, this file can be saved easily by following some steps. First of all, click on File menu. Then click on Save option or command. As we click on this, we get the Save As dialog box. From that in that box, you have to type the file name by which you want to save your file. And then click Save button in appeared dialog box. All these steps can be seen in book also. Students, first of all, you have to click on File menu as we have clicked previously. As we click on File menu, we get the list of some options like this list. From this list, you have to click on Save, right? As we click here, we get the Save As dialog box. This is the Save As dialog box. In this dialog box, in front of the file name, we have to type the name of the file by which we want to save the file. After writing name here, you have to click on Save button. As you click here, your file will be saved for future use, right? You can also use shortcut key to do this work, that is Ctrl plus S. As you will press this key, you get this box. In this box, rest of these steps you have to follow. Like means write the file name and then click on Save button. Students, to save the file, .fla extension is used in Flash. This is the extension of the Flash document. Next topic is opening a Flash file. When a Flash file can be opened, do you know, students? If you don't know it now. A flash file can be opened after creating it. Means जब हम एक बार कोई फाइल बना देते हैं और second time या next time when we want to use that file, that time it is required to open. ठीक है, उस टाइम हमें इसे ओपन करने की ज़रूरत होती है. To open an old file, we have to follow some steps. What are these steps? Steps are, you have to click on File menu. Okay, I will show in your book also, and then there click on Open. As we click on Open, we get the Open dialog box. From that box, in that box you have to navigate, locate and select the file. Means from here, finally you have to select the file. After selecting the file, you have to click on Open button. Then selected file will open on the screen. Steps you can see here. You have to click on File menu. This list appear. From this list you have to click on Open Recent or Open. Okay. If you want to open recently used file, for that you will click on Open Recent. If you want to open an existing file, for that you have to click on Open. Existing file means कि आपने कोई भी फाइल सेव की हुई है फ्लैश के अंदर और आप उसको यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, आप उसके लिए आप ओपन पर क्लिक करेंगे. और ओपन रिसेंट पर कब क्लिक करेंगे कि अभी हमने खोली हुई थी फाइल और अभी थोड़ी देर पहले क्लोज की है. नाउ वी वांट टू अगेन रीयूज दैट फाइल. ओके, दैट टाइम वी यूज ओपन. As we click on Open here, we get the Open dialog box. This is the Open dialog box, students. And this is Document Library. From this library, you have to search the file which has to be opened. जो file आप open करना चाहते हैं, that you have to search from here. Okay, after searching the file, you have to click it. आप या तो उसको click कर दीजिए और you can write that file name here. Right, after writing name here, you have to click on Open button. As you click here, selected file will appear on the screen. For this work, students, you can also use shortcut key, that is the Ctrl plus O. Our next topic is existing Flash. Exiting Flash. After creating the work or after finishing the work, we are required to exit from flash. Means हमारा वर्क अब ख़त्म हो गया है, अब हमें फ्लैश से बाहर आना है. How can we exit? There are various ways to exit the flash. Means from exit the flash. After finishing work, we need to close the software. We will follow different methods to close the software. To close the software are, first of all, what you have to do, go to the file menu. In the file menu, you have to click on exit. As you will click on exit, you will come out from the flash. See, students, it is not given here. Sorry, I can't display you. In this list, exit is not given. No problem. Second method is there. Press Ctrl plus Q. By this command, you can also quit from the flash. और क्या कर सकते हैं आप? We have one more method, that is you can press Alt plus F4 keys from the keyboard. By using this key, you can also quit from the flash. और क्या कर सकते हैं? There is one more method. Click on the close button on the top right corner of the flash window. I can show you this button. See, you have to press this one button. As you press this, if you have not saved your document, it will ask you. It means one confirmation box will appear on the screen. Okay, if you want to save the document, that time you have to click on yes and then give the file name. Okay, your file will be saved and you can quit from the flash. Students, now see what you have to do. You already written reboot points in your notebook. Tick the correct options, right? True, false, and fill in the blanks. Okay, this work you have done in your notebook. Now see what you have to do. You have to write short answer type questions and long answer type questions in your notebook in today's date. See, what is a flash? Answer of this is given on page number 71. I am showing you. See, this is the answer one. Flash is a very useful application used in multimedia graphics programs. To create, this word you have to cut, after that start from here. To create animations, games, cartoons, text graphics and other special effects. Okay. Next question is name the file type selected in new documents dialog box. That is the, what is ActionScript 3.0 is after that write from here the file type selected in new documents dialog box. Means first of all you have to write this and after that connect this sentence. Next, Are there many ways to exit Flash? Yes, there are many ways to exit Flash. Name any three tools of Flash. Pen, line and text tools are the three tools of Flash. Next is, how will you start Flash? Steps to start a Flash are given on page number 71. Next is, what are the uses of property panel? Property panel is used to select properties of the selected tools. And next one is, list the steps to save a Flash document. First of all, you will write from there, and after that go to the page number 75. Thank you so much, students. This is our today's video.